Rainy day here. And yes, what would you like? Do you want to get dried off? This is routine now. He likes to be dried down. and he'll follow me into the studio and plant himself up here. Oops. And just basically wait until I make. Or would you rather have, okay, kitchen towel is your preferred method, or you just want to wreck it? Just want to wreck it, or is that more absorbent? Is that what you're trying to tell me? I've got some kitchen towel. That's it. That's the job, isn't it? That's the service we expect. We'll do the little head. And we'll do the little feet. Is that it? Got better. Give you a fluff up. Not done. I'd also like to I don't know if he's going to step out of the way. Can you just step out and I'll let you see the people see the state he's done? Yeah. Now, is that better? Yes.